everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on Shazam. You click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Shazam and you click here in this page as you see. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.